Hey, what's up guys, Arvind here, and in this video I will be showing you how to fix lag on the official Pubg Mobile Emulator, that is the Tencent Gaming Buddy. So for some reasons the FPS on official Pubg Mobile Emulator is limited to 29 or 30. So if you want to get that smooth 60 FPS while playing on the official emulator, then in this video I will show you the few settings that you need to change that are surely going to help in getting more FPS. Before jumping right into the settings, I just want to mention that for some users these settings may not help in getting 60 FPS, but I can assure you that after doing all the steps mentioned in the video, there will no longer be any FPS limit of 20 or 30 FPS like before. So here is what you need to do. First, open the Tencent Gaming Buddy, that is the official Pubg Mobile Emulator. If you are playing on any other emulator, then I will recommend you to try this official one, as I think this one is way better and you don't need to set up all the controls manually as everything is done already in the official emulator. Once the Tencent Gaming Buddy opens, then click on this hamburger icon on the top right and then click on settings. Once you are in the settings, head over to the engine option on the left. Here the first option we have is rendering. Now I tried choosing DirectX instead of smart mode, but in my case smart mode gives better and more stable FPS in game. So I will suggest you to first try smart mode and after that try the DirectX option. If you notice that enabling one option results in a better gaming experience, then select that one. Next, you need to make sure that prioritized dedicated GPU option is checked. Next option is Anti-Aliasing, and if you have a decent laptop or PC, then I will suggest you to select the balanced option. Otherwise, for a low-end PC or laptop, select the close option. Then we have memory, and it depends on the RAM. So if you have, for example, 4GB RAM, then you need to select half of it, that is 2GB. Similarly, if you have 8GB RAM or more, then select 4GB. The next option is processor, and you need to select the number of cores that your processor has. In my case, I have a quad-core CPU, so I selected 4 cores. If you are not sure how many cores your processor has, then simply head over to Task Manager and then go to the Performance tab. Here you will see the number of cores mentioned along with other details like threads, base speed, etc. Next option is the resolution, and I will suggest you to select the 1280 x 720. Finally, we have the DPI option, and you just need to leave it as it is, as I haven't noticed any difference after changing its values. Finally, click on the game option on the left, and in the gaming resolution option select 720p, which is the default gaming resolution, and as for the display quality, select smooth or balanced. If you have a decent graphics card, then you can go with the HD option as well. So these are the settings that you need to change in the official Pubg emulator to get more FPS in game. Now there are a couple of settings that you should change in the game itself, so go to the game settings and then go to graphics settings. Here select the graphics to smooth and the frame rate to extreme. Now scroll down and disable the anti-aliasing and auto adjust graphics option, and that's it. So this is how you can get 60 FPS in the official Pubg Mobile Emulator by simply tweaking a few settings. If you like the video, then make sure to subscribe for more videos, and I will catch you in the next one.